If you've got shaky hands and you just can't hold a regular eyebrow stencil and put on the product at the same time, this might be worth a look. Kits like this one usually come with multiple stencil shapes, so just pick the one that's closest to your natural brow shape. The templates have little marks on them to help you align your brows. Straight out of the box, these are not going to fit perfectly. But here's how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is attach the strap and then get your brow powder or whatever it is you intend to use and have those tools ready. Then we're going to position the stencils so that they line up over our natural brow. Everybody's face is shaped a little differently, so take a minute here. This is actually the part that matters the most. First, line up the inner marks with the start of your brow, and then line up your arch. If your brow does not line up perfectly, simply lift the stencil and gently pull the brow into the stencil opening. It may look a little funny at first, but when you remove the template, everything will go back into place naturally. Now that that's in place, grab your favorite brow product. I'm going to use powder for this because I find it to be the most forgiving, but use whatever you want. I want the makeup to go on very softly and evenly, so I'm using a round, fluffy eyeshadow brush for this. This next part is completely up to you. I like to start in the center of my brow and make sure most of my color goes there because I don't want a heavy tail or a heavy head on this brow. Once we get that color on, we'll go ahead and do the big reveal and see if this was worth it. Time to take it off and check our work. You'll more than likely have some hard edges. That's totally normal. We'll just blend those with a little spoolie. If you feel like you have to clean this up a little bit, just grab a Q-tip and a little micellar water. Is this thing perfect? No. But if shaky hands or uneven brows have been holding you back, it gets you 80% of the way there, and you can clean up the rest. Now, if you can't get the shape right no matter what, I would use what I call the pirate technique. I just came up with it. I would align the stencil with one eyebrow. Whatever you have to do to get it on there straight, even if the other one is down here, and go ahead and do one and then flip it and do the other. Alternatively, if you've got this kind of single stamp and you just want to make that work, you could absolutely poke a hole in one end and in the other, and then just attach a piece of corded elastic to it, and then just do one at a time. The products that I used are in the description. My brow fix guide is linked below. I'll see you in the next one.